Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the UGREEN GaN Fast Charger. This is a 65-watt PD charger. PD meaning power delivery, because this delivers a ton of power and it does it fast, 65 watts. It is a GaN Fast Charger. What does GaN stand for? It stands for gallium nitride, and basically that's a material that's used that is highly efficient. It produces less heat and it's faster than the traditional silicone. So that's what that is. You can see a few specs here. You've got 3 ports for fast charging. It is foldable and portable, and has wide compatibility and smart protection. Flipping it over to the back, you see some of that information again. 3 ports. You've got smart protection. You've got a foldable plug, and it is flame retardant material. As far as the specs, you can see it is an input of 100 to 240 volts, 1.8 amps max, and it has 3 ports, 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A. The USB-Cs are capable of anywhere from 5 volts at 3 amps all the way up to a maximum of 65 watts. And then the USB-A is capable of 4.5 volts at 5 amps all the way up to 22.5 watts max. The total output power is 65 watts max. If you're using all 3 ports, you're not going to get 65 watts out of each port. The total power this can deliver is 65 watts, so you can use one of these type Cs to get 65 watts, or you can charge multiple devices and you'll just get the maximum that can total up to 65 watts maximum. So that's the specs. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Here is the star of the show, if you will. This is the power delivery, and you can see it's very small and compact, very sleek looking, nice matte black finish. You got the UGREEN logo on the side there, GaN X, faster and safer, and then on here the 65 watt logo. You can see the plug folds out when you're plugging it in, and then you just fold it up when you're traveling. So very small, very compact, easy to throw in a suitcase, a bag, a laptop bag, even your pocket. And you can see on the front here, you've got these 2 type C ports. Like I said, each one of those, PD power delivery up to 65 watts each. And then you've got your USB-A. Now, just so we cover everything, let's look at the other thing that comes in the box, which is, your basic user instructions. Just in case you need those, just gives you some more specs about it. There's not really a lot of instructions you need, obviously. You plug it in and you use it, but just gives you the information. Oh, there's this on the back. So you kind of know what you are capable of using it for and how it works. But obviously you're going to use those USB-C ports to charge things that need higher power. And then the standard USB-A port right there to plug anything that could take lower power. But you got 3 ports there. You got a total of 65 watts. So I mean, if you're using just one of these, that's great for charging a Macbook Pro or a laptop, Chromebook, something like that. If you're on the go, staying at a hotel or something, you could use this to be fast charging your iPhone, an iPad, and maybe another watch all at the same time, or plug this into a wireless charger, a 3-in-1 wireless charger, to be charging your iPhone, your Apple Watch, your Earbuds all at the same time just from one port, and then use the other 2 ports to charge other things. So I mean, it's great because it's not 3 ports, like kind of the great middle ground for ports. It's enough ports to be able to charge so many different things at one time without having something that's really big. Because I mean, look how small this is. And the fact that it folds and just plugs right in, really, really cool product by UGREEN. And yeah, if you're looking for a portable fast charger capable of really power charging a lot of different devices, then this is definitely a great product and definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, all that fun stuff. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.